On. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe with the bell for more daily awesome videos. You're probably thinking, who's behind the camera? Well, I'm joined by my friend again, Aiden. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go. He's my best mate. Today we have got something planned. Now we are going to play dodgeball in the middle of the street. Aiden,
Tell him.
yeah, no, just face the camera at me. It's not even.
No, we can do that. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
No, yeah, right. So, we're gonna put the camera over here. Once again, we're gonna put it here. Cause like
Hi
we did in the football video where Aiden controlled me.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get the ball. You touch the camera. I'm a legend, hopefully.
James is a legend, like he said. He's the best.
Aiden, in the camera.
Okay.
Thank you. So, yeah. So guys, we are going to play dodgeball. And now, but not just any dodgeball. We are going to play. I don't want to say it.
Look, don't tell them, but well, you and I down here.
Yeah. Now, can we just tell them?
No.
Can we just tell them we've heard? Well, yeah. Hey, guys, last time me and Aiden, we practiced a spine video. And
Yeah.
we heard noises in that freaking garden over there. And that one. So,
We
guys,
didn't get to upload it because it didn't look good.
guys, I need you to like and subscribe. I need help.
And I've got a surprise. Hold this.
Oh yeah, Aiden's got some. Aiden's got.
Don't say.
Can I just say? Can I just?
No.
There's Aiden over there. Hi, Aiden.
Don't point down.
Guys, make sure you subscribe to the button for daily videos. Like and subscribe. Come on, you boys. Aiden is a legend. And am I a legend, Aiden? Yeah, Aiden said I'm a legend. He's prepared. He came prepared. Right, hold this. I want to do a spy.
Wait, we need a paper and I know what to write.
I need a spy.
Then they have to
James.
guess it. Sorry.
I need a spy, James.
Well, I'll just write the camera. There we go.
Wait, no, don't look. Put the camera down.
So, this is our life. I like coming here, especially that hoop. I like to make that.
Welcome to Spider-Man Spy James.
He was gonna wear Spider-Man suit, but then he.
Hey guys, you never know. I might make this. We're doing 3 spying videos, so make sure you stay tuned for more daily awesome videos.
Yes.
Let's look at the ball, Aiden. Come on.
The ball's not there.
It is.
I'm freezing, but it's easy to do it like this. The one we're cool.
Let's go, guys.
Stay tuned.
Guys, I got 4 goals. I got 4 goals after the ball.
Oh yeah, and last time he also did a trick shot where he did that and then landed in the net over there. Oh no!
Do you remember when hockey Aiden on Friday?
Yeah.
And I hit the ball.
Yeah.
Our first day.
Yeah.
I hit the ball and guys,
Okay.
so I shot, right? And we was playing hockey. I shot with a hockey stick and it went in the cone. Didn't it, Aiden?
Yeah.
That was
And you also did a trick shot when I was here last
yeah.
time.
When I hit it against the wall, then hit that blue bin into the net.
So it hit the wall. I'm holding it like this because I like it.
Right, let's go play dodgeball.
Stay tuned.
I was going to have to be in my first game on Friday football and another goal in the second game.
Don't ask why I'm doing it like this though. James, don't ask why I'm doing it like this.
Why are you?
I just like it.
Okay, let's go.
I tried it. I'm just trying it
Aiden,
out.
please come here.
I kind of like it.
So they can see.
Hold on, let me just pull it down. Oh, sorry guys.
Aiden,
After this, we might have to do a spine stuff.
have you got your belt on?
Huh?
You got your belt on?
No, these are wear belts. I don't need it.
Right.
I'll do that.
Aiden, stand over there. And
Hold on, let me just see if it.
stand. Aiden, you're not allowed to stand on there.
Why?
Someone's in the house.
How?
So there's a car. And I've seen him before, so Aiden, just go stand over there. The camera. Right there, you, Aiden. I'm gonna stand where you was. Say.
No, I'm gonna put this.
Aiden, can you see me? This is where you was.
Yeah, that's what. No. I'm standing right here.
Can the camera see me?
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna be standing. Yeah.
Can the camera see me from here?
Yeah.
Just about.
Your head's nearly got off the screen.
I'll just duck.
No, just go that way. Come right here.
Can the camera see me? Wait, let me just get back in.
No, go further out. Sorry. Okay, that's good.
I'll stand here.
That means I don't need to stand all the way over here.
Right, can the camera see you?
It should be able to. I did my calculation and it managed to see all that car. So
Just go check.
let me see. I need to come out again. Yeah, you can see all that car. So while I was standing,
Aiden, move the camera.
no, they can
We're
see
not
it.
allowed.
Oh, okay. They can't see them anyway.
We're still not allowed. Where are we going to put it?
Follow me.
Let's just do it on the drive.
So that's the people that you was talking about.
Yeah.
Why are they so mean?
Yeah, because they were born to be mean.
Why do we even live there? Why were they not there last time?
Just put the camera on that windowsill there. No, we can't actually.
No, that's their house. Why can we not do that though?
Put it here.
No, because then what if they come out and they can see them? The camera can see them.
I don't know where we.
I'll hold it. While playing dodgeball, I have to. It's the only way.
Okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's actually good. But you can't really face cam. Are you ready? Aiden?
Playing dodgeball.
Dodgeball.
Kick off. You can also kick.
Aiden, I had none.
Whatever. Let's just keep playing dodgeball.
Anyways, you're allowed to kick the ball too, okay?
No, because...
Yeah!
Okay, fine.
Guys, we played dodgeball at school on Friday. It was sick.
But what? Oh, yeah, on Tuesday.
Right, you ready?
Sorry about that, guys.
Oh no! I
He hit you straight. How did that happen?
I'm so sorry. That didn't hit you, it hit the camera, so that...
Wait, that could have been an insane move. Yeah, I bet everyone liked that.
Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? I feel so sorry for you.
It's okay, guys. I'll just put you back on.
We are having McDonald's for dinner. And we're doing a video about making gingerbread man.
I love McDonald's. It's my favorite. Oh, wait, no, I can't sit on the ground because look what happened to my butt.
Yeah.
I need to sit somewhere, but I can't sit on the ground because it gets...
Sit here. Sit here.
No, I can't sit anywhere that's bricky.
Why can't you sit on the ground?
Oh, because then it will make those little pops.
But just sit somewhere. I know, just do this. Put your back against the wall.
Yeah, but I'm used to doing that while... Sorry, guys.
It's real bad. Aiden. Just hold it. That's good.
There you go. Sorry, guys, about that. That was just a little insane.
Guys. Guys, look.
James,
I'm
redo
gonna
it.
take this off.
Okay. I like this.
Let's go. Right, it's your turn. No points yet.
Well, make sure he doesn't hit that red
Make sure
car.
you raise the camera like me. Oh no. Got it. You can throw it and then bounce.
No, he hit that.
It bounced. It bounced.
Yeah. Let's go, baby.
And you want tonight?
Yeah, of course I will.
Oh, I got it.
Nice job. Amazing. This is so amazing. Yeah, I know, James. And at the end of this video, before it ends, I'm going to write something in with this pen. You have to guess what it is. If you do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, you're still cool, so hit the like button.
No, just hit both. Watch it. Right, you ready? Wait.
What was that? Okay, guys. Let's get rid of Dodgeball. It's gonna turn into a spine video.
Aiden, press the camera a minute.
Assemble.
I just need it. Guys, this is mental. There's Aiden.
It's turning into a spine video.
It's turning into a zombie attack. It might turn into a... I'm gonna show you Aiden's karate moves.
Hold on.
Go on, Aiden. I hope you heard that. I hope you heard that noise, guys.
Hold on.
Aiden, go.
I need to take this off because that keeps falling off.
I just talked to the camera. Make sure you... Now, guys, you should subscribe because it helps me and my friends.
No.
So, please do.
No.
Right, there's Aiden. Let's show his karate moves. Oh, and he goes in. Oh, ready?
Get over here.
Oh, guys. Get out, Aiden. Get out. Do you remember that? What was that big bang? No, there's no, guys. Like, Aiden, hold the camera. Right, I think it comes from that house there. No, Aiden, zoom out.
I was zooming in a little bit.
Not this house, that house. So, guys, we need to be super quiet right now. We need to be super quiet. Come on, guys, come on.
Okay.
This is part 1 of Spine. This is a new part. This is a new series till Aiden comes to my house again.
And I might even do a film of 1 hour.
We probably will today. I don't know. We might do.
I don't think we'll be able to because it gets a little boring standing up for an hour.
We might have a break. Right, guys, come on. We need to slide. Aiden, get on the wall. Aiden, get on the wall.
I can't.
No, just do this.
No. That will also get... James, let me just take this jacket off and put it inside.
Okay, I'll hold it.
It's
Just put it where my thing is.
because it's like this. It will also make bubbles.
Aiden, do a twerk for us, because I did one. Hey, go on.
This can't touch anything like the wall, like this, like that bit there, because it gets bubbly. So I need to put it somewhere safe.
Hey, guys.
Unusual coat is like a cushion, so it doesn't make those bubble knots. So I'm going to put it like that.
Hey, yo. Hey, did you want to play 3 2 8?
Meatballs!
Say it again.
Banana meatballs.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Right, guys, come on. Aiden, get on here. Come on.
Which house?
Is it the one where... No, the one with a... No, not that house. The one next to it.
So it's that one over there.
No, not that one.
Yeah, I can't really get it.
Yeah, no, what? Come on.
It's over there.
Yeah, face come at me. Face come at me. Wait, we need the spy gear.
James, let me wear it. It's my spy gear.
Can I at least wear this?
Oh no. James, just hold it. No, you won't be able to. You need like a rope like this.
I want to wear it.
Well, you should have used your Spider-Man suit. That's what you did.
Can I hold this?
Hold on, let me.
Can I hold the intruder alert?
No, it's not called that.
Yeah, no.
I just like saying it.
Aiden, can I hold it?
Well, if it falls off one more time, it's only when I run that it falls off, really.
Why, we need to put that on the ground.
No, only when I run it falls.
Take the camera.
Hold on, look, just sort these out.
Guys, I'll show you the house.
Oh, let's see if I can hear anything.
Put it against that wall over there.
No. The next one.
Okay, come on. Intruder alert.
Guys, this is not good. It's not good. Turn this off.
Aiden, I'm here.
Shh, get down. That person's in.
We have to get Aiden, face cam at me a minute. Guys, we have to get through that house, then we have to go to that house. Might be able to sneak in the house. Right, guys, comment down below for part 2. We might sneak in it. You never know. Come on, guys. Aiden, go over here. I'll be back.
I'm going to stay over here.
Hola.
Shush, that lady's in. She's going to tell us off.
Right.
Oh, and also today, James, I actually watched...
Stop!
I actually watched a film. It's not kind of a film. Yeah, it's so
Guys,
cool.
let's go. Come on, there's Aiden. Aiden, you need to face the camera. Oh, they're coming.
Guys, this is not good. We might have to stop filming if she looks at us one more time. It's not good.
If we can't, we have to do part 2 now.
Kiss big shiny ball. Go.
Of course, it's clear.
See, but guys, go. Get here. Duck.
I'm getting behind this white carriage.
Oh, I can't touch that.
We'll get behind the white carriage.
It's fine. Oh. Ooh.
Hi, guys.
Hold on.
She's looking.
Okay.
Aiden, you need to split up.
Okay. There goes James. He's there spying. Yeah, he's going to spy on that house. That one.
I'm going to try. Yeah.
It's really bad. Look at him over there.
I heard the door.
Oh, that was that person over there.
I don't know. Hi, guys. Hey, guys. There's a car.
Why did you even do?
There's a taxi.
Oh, that's
These might be picking her up. Guys, that means we have the whole house. We might be able to sneak in that house over there. Cross your fingers. No, it's a random Aiden, the person who we're spying on. Look, face the camera. Oh no. No, we're spying on that person. Oh, that means there's someone in. Aiden, face it out the door, face it out the...
No, they can't see strangers.
Yeah, they're loud.
Oh.
I turn them on.
Shh. Get that.
Guys, come on.
She has a dog. She has a dog.
Look, the door just opened and closed. Guys, trust me, I've even got footage of that.
She has a dog.
Can we just replay that footage? That was the footage. Right. Aiden, we need to put a tracker on the doorstep.
Just to let you know.
Put the tracker on the doorstep. Yeah, I know. Why are you whispering it?
Because we don't want the camera to hear.
Aiden, don't face camera at the other person over there.
I've got an idea.
I'm say it in there.
No.
Okay, right, guys. I'm gonna hold this.
No. It needs to be turned off. We don't want to waste the battery.
Yeah, no. Can I just hold it?
Oh, I'll give it to you when you need it.
Can I just hold it? Can I hold that?
Can you hold that? Because you're going to be placing it down.
Aiden. Right, guys. We've got the tracker on our...
Oh,
crap.
Oh, how do we hide?
The blinds have closed. They've closed the blinds. That's even easier, guys. Show the camera out. They've closed the blinds.
Hold on. Let me just get a better view by zooming in.
Yeah,
see?
that house there. How do you turn this stupid finger?
Oh, it's there. So look.
Oh, there.
That's... So that...
I didn't mean to say... Aiden. That's a nice, guys.
Just let you know. No, but if you put it on M, whoever walks over it, yeah, triggers it. So no. Like that. So now if someone walks over that, it'll trigger. Shut up!
I accidentally set the alarm off. Right, Aiden, let me just
Right,
walk.
safe.
Double.
Okay, I've got it set.
Aiden, come on.
Got it.
No, I need to.
I've set it. Hide.
Yeah. Say if they come in the car, it will set off the alarm, and then we need to run. We need to hide somewhere. She's coming out. She will come out. Show them the timer.
James gonna go that way and hide.
Show them the timer. That's this lady's car. Right, I'm gonna go hide.
James.
Guys,
This is not good.
Wait, guys, I hope I stay alive. Bye, guys. I'll see you later. Over and peace.
Guys, is that good?
I'm going to hide. Right, toss the camera. You need to go. Hide over.
We could hide here. No, we can't. Yeah, this is not good. It's bad. Really, really bad. Look. James. Stop tricking it!
I accidentally triggered it.
No, why did you say that? It could look like that an actual stranger done that.
No, Aiden. I triggered it. We will show people in there. No, Aiden!
No!
What are you doing? You set it off.
You! Why do I keep doing that?
Aiden,
Oh, no, give me it.
I'm putting it somewhere.
No, give me it. Tell me.
Aiden, you need to fix the camera button.
Give me it.
I'm putting it over
Let
here.
me. Give me it. Guys, he always be silly. We might have to end it here. It might have to be a part 2 to be continued.
Yeah, to be continued. Over and peace.